transition, as we all know, to the PBL, and there she continues to excel in the sport. Also as part of our national team, Alas Pilipinas, which demonstrates her commitment to achieving new heights in her career. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for one half of our ambassadors this year, Miss Ea Lauren.
Una po sa lahat, it's such an honor to be one of the ambassadors of the Volleyball Men's World Championships. Marami pong salamat sa mga sumuporta dahil mas nakilala ang volleyball lalo na dito sa Pilipinas. At syempre dati kasi gusto lang natin makalaban yung ibang bansa, pero ngayon best of the best pa yung pupunta dito sa country. Kaya naman nakaka-excite na magpa-participate din yung Alas Pilipinas na men's at sana supportahan po natin sila. Ayun lang po. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Ea. The beginning of his formal volleyball career. At NU, he played a pivotal role in the team, leading them to consecutive championships in seasons 80 and 81. And his exceptional performance even earned him multiple accolades, including season and finals most MVP honors in season 81. He was also recognized as a best server for 3 consecutive seasons, which just underscores his all-around skills on the court. But this year, he will be our official ambassador for the FIVB Men's World Championship. Please welcome on stage Alas Pilipinas Men's Volleyball Team member, Brian Baguna.
Good afternoon, everyone. Una sa lahat, to all VIPs here and local organizing committee, and especially Sir Dats. Nagpapasalamat po kami for bringing the Volleyball Men's World Championship here. Sobrang malaking bagay po to for the volleyball community here in the Philippines. Marami po kami matututunan dito, and malaking bagay po to for the men's volleyball na may showcase po namin yung talent namin to the world. Thank you.
All right, thank you.